Hi everyone, welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Dawn is in the kitchen to do what? Yes, you're correct. Stew tamarind. So we will be making stewed tamarind today. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D Dawn is doing a video. And to all my YouTubers, supporters, subscriber, and follower, a very big warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. We all here to support each other. So let us begin to rumble. This is a tambourine. It's in the pad and everything. It is 1 pound of tamarind. I bought it in the supermarket. 1.5 cup of dark sugar, half teaspoon mixed spice, a piece of ginger, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. We need like 3 cups of water. I have these tamarind sitting in the fridge for a couple of months, and I decided to show them out. But then a second thought come to mind. I said, no, why should I show them out when I can use them to make other things? So because it's in the fridge so long, it have been dried out. So what I did, I just run them under the pipe under little cold water, and the water softened them up back like. So now we just gonna take the tamarind out of the shell that it's in. Guys, from a little girl I always make this. My mom used to make stewed tamarind and sell at the school. Yeah, and that's how I learned to make stewed tamarind, because I did have to fit in. So because I put it in the water, it comes so soft, you see. So that's all. We just want to take all the tamarind out of the pad. Sometimes we used to pick up all the tamarind. You just go at the tamarind tree and you pick it up from the ground when it fall off. Or we used to climb the tree too and pick the tamarind. You have the sweet one and you have the sour one. Sometimes they're sour, sometimes they're sweet. So you're just gonna pick them out just like this. So now that we finish stripping the tamarind, sometimes, guys, let me say this to you, when you see the tamarind like this, it's a worm. Sometimes a worm is in it, or weevil, some crawling insects. So you come like this, you will see tamarind is a thing, it's very wormy sometimes, and that crawling insect. But I'm in luck, no worm is in this. So just bear in mind, when you're picking the tamarind, you're gonna see worms sometime or weevil. It's a worm eating away. So this one here, I'm just gonna take it out. You see it even to the seed. This is the seed of the tamarind, and you can see the hole all the way down in it. The worm eat it. So we're not gonna use this. So now we're done prepare the tamarind, we will be moving on. This, you're gonna pour this out. With the water boiling, you're just gonna add the sugar to it. The vanilla, mixed spice, the ginger. And it's best if you have the ginger powder, it's good you use the ginger powder instead to use the ginger. You want this to come to a boil. Beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you haven't yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? Please be sure to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Share the video with a friend of a friend, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Dawn is doing a video. As you can see, it's boiling now, so you're gonna add your tamarind in. Just turn it away from you because you don't want to get burned. So put it in and we're gonna give it like 20 minutes for it to boil. And you don't want to cover the pot because you don't want the sugar to boil over. So just leave it open. If you have to cover, just put cover halfway. And if you want, you don't have to use a lot of sugar. You can use far less. It depends on your taste bud. You can use less sugar, you can use more. So now we're gonna let it boil for 20 minutes. Beautiful people, look at this. Our stewed tamarind is now ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? So why not? Why not? Go ahead and give it a try. And there's an old-fashioned saying, turn your hand and make fashion, or turn your hands to make fashion. So normally my mom used to buy those little poly bags, some small little bags like these, even smaller, and she always put the tamarind in it, but I don't have any of that bag, so I have a little stuff in a bag here. So I just rinse out the bag with some soap, and I'm going to show you how we used to do it. So make sure the tamarind is cool. You take the bag all the way down. All the way down, just like this. You open it up and you're going to scoop the tamarind. You don't want a lot of mess with what you're doing. And then always put it in. And then we hold the bag like this. And we fix it like this, just like that. And we tie it. And then she uses scissors to cut. Like if the top is too tall like this, you just want to clip, and the tamarind is in the bag. And you'd sip, you will the little corner right here of the bag, you just want to bore it. You pinch it with your teeth or your finger. You just want to pinch this little part and you squeeze the tamarind up, you know, you squeeze it up and you just continue sucking like that. There's a little hole right here, so I don't even have to do that. So you just squeeze it through, just like this. Guys, I'm telling you, this thing, it tastes so good. So you just squeeze and just suck. Just a little hole, just like this, where just a little coming up. You see, just a little, and you squeeze and you suck it. That's stewed tamarind. So I thank you guys for watching. And please take care of yourself, and above all, take care of each other. And let us support each and every one. Let us look out for each other. I love you guys. I love you from the depth of my heart. Please, please, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye for now. D Don. One love and peace.